Hi guys, good evening and welcome to my mini vlog. Since I'm bored tonight, join me as I stick my work into my notebook. Let's go! So, there you have it. We finished my activity and I'm getting sleepy. So, I'm going to sleep now guys because I have to wake up early for school tomorrow. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. Today, I woke up early at 5:30 a.m. because of my alarm clock. I got up immediately and fixed the blanket and pillow and went out of the house to check the weather because it seemed cloudy and rainy. Then I went to my cousin's carinderia to buy something to eat for breakfast. And I chose to eat was fried rice and egg and eat it. The food here is delicious guys. It's at Not Not Eatery in Santa Lucia, Magaraw. You should come. Come on, join me for a meal guys. After I finished eating, I went to the bathroom to take a shower. And when I finished taking a shower, I put on my pants, a belt to tighten or fit my pants. Socks. Shoes. Cloth. My school ID, which is very important. And lastly, the bag. When I finished getting dressed, my cousin and I walked to the jeep station to go to school. And now, we're on the jeep riding, and after a few minutes, we arrive at school. When we got to school, we immediately went to the library to review for the upcoming exam. After we finished reviewing, we went to the math subject room because our examination was about to begin. When our exam was over, we went home with our classmates that have a motorbike. And now, we're back at our rented boarding house and we're going to take a rest. And this is where my mini vlog ends. I hope you like it. Bye guys.